In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert crypto to cash before withdrawal on Coinbase. First, open the Coinbase app. From the home screen, head to the Assets tab to see everything you hold. If you prefer, you can also tap the Buy and Sell option, which takes you straight to the trading panel. Find the specific cryptocurrency you want to turn into cash and select it so you're looking at that assets page. Next, choose Sell. This tells Coinbase you want to trade that crypto for your local currency rather than buying more of it or sending it elsewhere. When the sell screen opens, enter the amount of crypto you want to convert. You can sell a portion or the full balance. Use the amount field to type an exact figure, or switch to the Fiat view if you prefer to think in your local currency. Before you proceed, confirm where the sale will be deposited. Make sure the destination is set to your local cash balance, such as USD, EUR, or GBP. This is important because it ensures the proceeds land in your Coinbase Cash wallet, ready for withdrawal rather than staying in another crypto. Tap Preview, Sell to review the details. Take a moment to check the exchange rate, the estimated total you'll receive, and any fees. Prices can move quickly, so this preview gives you a final snapshot before you commit. If everything looks good, select Sell Now to complete the conversion. If you need the app or prefer to use the website, you'll find the official download link and the site link right at the top of the description for easy access. Once the sale is complete, the fiat currency appears immediately in your Coinbase Cash balance. To withdraw it, go to your fiat wallet, for example your USD balance. Then select Cash Out. Enter the amount you want to withdraw, and choose your linked bank account or debit card for the transfer. Follow the prompts to confirm. Transfer speed and availability can vary by method and region, but your cash balance is available right after the sale. A few helpful notes as you work through this. Your funds are available in your cash balance instantly after you sell. Coinbase does charge fees for selling, and these can vary depending on the asset, amount, and payment method. Generally, there are no limits on the amount of crypto you can sell for cash, though your account and region may have their own policies. As an alternative, you can use the Convert feature to swap crypto directly to a fiat-backed stablecoin like USDC, which can sometimes be faster for managing volatility. That's it. Convert, review, sell, and then cash out to your bank. Thanks for watching.